Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable a voice chat on Roblox. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Roblox and you're going to go to your setting, select more option and go to settings, and you need to choose account info, and you need to make sure that your email address has been verified. You need to be more than 13 years old, and as you can see, my email address has been verified and also my age. Okay, and then we're going to go to the privacy and content restriction, and here we just need to go to the communication and it's like the voice chat, and here you will be able to activate the voice chat on Roblox. Okay, I'm going to enable it. And after that, we just need to go to the Roblox game and activate our microphone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate voice chat on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!